Group B action in our second match on this Wednesday. Sila po ang mga manguna sa koponan ni Coach Kung Fu Reyes. And this is the year that we can say finally that this is Angel Habacon's team. Because in the previous 2 years, syempre, hindi pa talaga si Angel yung leader. Now she's the clear-cut leader. And we will see where she can take San Beda. High-flying spikers here in the NCAA.
Start of the first set.
And we are officially underway. Here's the first set. At masyadong malakas underneath the ball sa palong yon. Ito yung pasa. Here's the set. Habacon soars, but is unable to score as Dequilla pops it up on the dolphin dive. Bachar.
Oh, solid block.
EAC High School, Ashley Toriado denies Janelle Bachar. She was the first best middle blocker in Toriado.
Good serve.
Quick attack for Navarro. Dequilla.
Oh.
And that is Jing Alimen.
Kailangan sana ma-maintain to hanggang matapos yung set.
Yeah, I was wondering why Jing Alimen barely played in the lead for the Lady Generals. Ito yung pasa, one-handed set. Wow!
Hindi naman nahirapan yung setter doon. And sa height niya ha, parang sobrang imposibleng magawa yun. Pero
Marked improvement as well. More elevation in her attacks as we see Joniega with
there.
Jermaine Joniega. Hiponya with the set. Habacon down the line.
Ito na.
Angel Habacon, 23 points.
Yes, for sure. And mas mataas yung kumpiyansa nila this time.
Habacon.
Whoa!
Goodbye.
Angel Habacon.
Talaga. Very powerful. And hindi na-touch ng blockers. So, medyo may hirapan. Good receive.
So halos 7 months. 7 months na silang nag-ensayo under Coach Kirk. De La Cruz. Dequilla, back set. Oh, what? Defense from the back row by Habacon. And Bachar scores again.
Bachar again. Iko to kay Bachar. Kahit hindi siya super baon, talagang papatay.
Alimen, will she get it back? No? And finally, EAC.
Kahit nakita niyang Seaman block yan.
Regalo.
Oh, wow! Regalo by the...
Tapos na ang Pasko pero namimigay pa rin ng regalo. Disaster. Loot. Another running attack for Ramos.
Yung kalaban mo is medyo mas maaayos sa'yo, di ba? Oh, another error. That's a good serve.
Free ball for EAC. Loot. Wow. Signs of elevates and breaks down the wall. Loot. Here's the toss. Bodonal picked up from the back. Habacon. Bachar.
Kung mapapansin mo, siya talaga ng binibigyan ng bola.
Ano yun ha? Habacon to Bachar.
Yes.
Habacon to AC is back on the floor. Lutz. Bodonal. Biong. Habacon.
It's a good dig.
Free ball for San Beda. Gracie wants it. She gets it and gives it to Angel. What a sliding dig. Sayang.
That's out for Bodonala.
Defensa.
Look at this dig by De Andres.
With San Beda winning 25-19.
Yun na set, but In the end, San Beda making a run when they needed it the most. They take set number 1, 25-19.
For coverage. Good serve. That's an ace. For Hiponia. Yeah, talagang matalino maglaro. Oh,
Ang lakas.
Kaya siya nandyan, partner. Iba yung impact niya sa EAC when it comes to attacking.
Oh, standards ni Angel, mataas eh. Siyempre, nanggaling sa 23.
Yes.
So, now she's at
Mukhang naririnig niya tayo, partner.
may routine si Angel. Ganda ng ikot ng bola.
Good.
Tina-target talaga si Angel.
Ayan na.
Wow.
The block pick.
Niya agad.
Add to cart, check out.
Yes.
They were just checking a spot on the floor. Perez punches it to the other side. Angel.
Angel! I think
For Angel Habakon.
ito na siya.
Sa EAC, si Perez tsaka si Toriado. At ayan na, si Perez. Habakon.
Denied!
Toriado with the block.
Maturity na nila sa loob ng court.
Siguro ang mindset lang ni Perez at Toriado nasa high school pa sila.
Lalaro lang ako. Ganun.
Navarro. Running attack for Navarro. Fourth running attack for
For
Ramos.
Ramos.
Hiponia. Oh, wow.
That was a good
Joniega.
play.
Dane Joniega.
Nakakatuwa no for both teams. Kung sino man yung ipasok ng mga coaches, nagko-contribute talaga.
It's not just the usual spikes.
Iba-iba, no?
Yung mga moments na ganon, na nakaka-single block siya. Bachar.
Good dig for both teams.
Hiponia to
Another
Angel.
one!
Angel
Whoa!
Habakon.
Welcome to the show.
Mainit na.
Mainit na. Alam. Good receive.
Hiponia.
Whoa! Navarro.
Navarro.
It in their reactions.
Timeout. EAC.
Look at that.
Pag yung aggressiveness talaga ang nawala. Free ball.
Hiponia. Bachar.
Bachar. Parang bihira ko. Good thing nagko-contribute pa rin siya.
Yeah, itong last 2 points.
Solid block.
Aaron Navarro with that.
Basang-basa na.
Set point.
Huling-hul. Pero yung kay Sisi talaga,
Iba.
at taas ng lipad, tas
Yes.
baon na baon. Angel opting for a drop sa pagkakataon na yon.
Oh.
Hindi matapos. Nagay sa alanganin doon. Oh, San Beda can't get a good receive.
Ang ganda rin kasi ng
That last huddle.
good
There you
receive.
go. There you go.
That's right.
Alam na.
Alam na.
Habakon off the block.
She now has 14 points in the match.
Set number 2.
Struggle nga talaga sila sa receive.
Spikers have a 2-0
Set number 2 belongs to San Beda once again.
Sa loob ng court.
Lut. Alimen, back row. Hiponia. Bachar. Picked up by De Andres. Toriado. Habakon.
Oh,
Angel
yeah, Habakon. Punta siya kay Bachar.
Oh, walang kumuha.
Angel. Ano there?
Alam mo, napansin ko ngayong season, high scoring. Yung mga, yung mga
Pag tumama yan sa kamay mo.
pray ka na lang. Oh!
Finally. Iba yung mga play ng San Beda. Denied!
The block point for
Papa.
ties the game at 6.
We are now tied.
Magiging consistent yung mga 20-point performances kada match day.
Yes.
Laging may nakaka-20.
At naririnig ko na.
Sino?
Si Coach. Nakikisigaw na rin siya ng palo, di ba?
That's it.
20
Naririnig ko
points
na.
piece. Back to back.
Smart
20.
play.
Bebe, minsan.
Yes. Finally.
That's good for Ashley.
What a delayed set right there. And alang may nakaharang. Bachar. Blocked. That's Alimen and
Good pass.
Katubig, the rookie. Bachar. Dayanan. Habakon
Whoa!
from the back row.
Buhay pa. Good dig.
Angel has that. Bachar.
For Bodanal.
Tequila. Hiponya. Katubig.
Katubig. Mapansin mo parang hindi rookie maglaro tong mga nasa side ng San Beda, no? Iba mag-contribute, talagang kaya nang maasahan. Overpass.
Costorio, binigyan agad.
Wow!
Astorio.
Contribute
Timeout.
agad. Quality.
Generals.
Welcome to the end meeting. Pedan. Loot. Running attack na naman para kay Ramos.
Again for Ramos.
This is like the 5th or 6th point.
Good serve.
Gracie to Angel.
Whoa!
Angel Habakon.
That was...
Dati ang player ni Coach Kung Fu, CC. Ngayon naman, Angel.
Angel. Good receive.
Gracie, back set to Bachar. Can San Beda end it here? They're at match point already. Panibagong pagkakataon. Gracie to the middle. Gives it to the rookie. This time, she goes to the captain. Lut, one-handed set. Balik ang bola sa mga bedista. Back set for Bachar.
Hindi pa.
Alimen
Good
picking it up. Dayanan with a free ball.
Oh! Miscommunication right there.
Pati yung mga fans ng EAC,
Yes.
tayuan din eh.
Hindi pa tapos.
And now,
Timeouts and Meta Lady Red Spikers.
Coach Kung Fu Reyes will call a timeout with his team at match point, EAC. Gracie, back set to Angel. Lady Generals, keeping it alive. Abacon to Bachar.
Buhay pa!
Wow!
Wow!
Habakon.
No!
Bachar gets the ball in the air. Hiponya to Angel. Lut, back set. Cara Dayanan with a drop. Balik ang bola sa EAC side. Lut to Dayanan. And the rally continues. A long underhand set. Oh no, it's a free ball for EAC. Lut. Lady Generals trying to go for a combination. Back set Bachar. Alimen keeps the ball in play. Nothing there yet for the Lady Generals. Here comes Habakon. And the rally continues. Wow, longest rally of the match. Bachar.
Wow! Hindi pa tapos.
Sunbed and EAC taking us for a ride.
Attack error on Bachar.
Lahat sila
after a
napagod.
long rally.
Lut will serve. Hiponya to Habakon.
Oh, yeah.
Angel
Ayan na.
Habakon ends the match
Tinapos
with a
na ni
strike.
Angel Habakon.
23 points
To our two competing
for the
teams,
third year.
let's go
Open
to the
spiker
attack
and
line
team captain
for the singing
for
of
the
your
San
respective
Beda
school
University
hymns.
Lady Red Spikers. Angel Habakon when we return here on GTV simulcast on Heart of Asia.